talk about, like, where is Danny Black? I mean, you know, I love that. Look at this little puppy. Bye, bye. This is where it gets really confusing to me in a vlog, just so you know. So I'm not sure what I'm doing, where I'm going. We're just gonna go through the week. So let's get through the week, Mark Insby style, 7 of 7, starting on whatever day this is, day 1. How does Mark Insby start out his vlogs? Right. 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 Good day. It's Monday. No, that sounded more English.
Well, it's Tuesday actually. But
Yeah. So we're starting this off by going to Hayworth Wines, a place I actually played last year. Made a video. You can check it out up there at the top right corner. This is Wine Julia. Hey, Russ. Last year, Russ was using like a big forklift to do it. Now he's like so strong. He's just doing it by hand.
Do we know how to build stages or what?
Yes. So it was a fun party. I played some songs. There was a 65 something Mustang maybe. I'm not a car guy, but look how shiny. And Emma showed off her skills. So check this out. I'm about to go live on this guy right here. It's gonna be something different. You wanna see this live video, because this is definitely edited after the fact, check out my channel. I'm putting a link up to it up here, and to the video. And you can check out stuff in the description as well. The rest of the party was great, and we all had a fantastic time. Alright, so we're here in Coburg. We're going to meet up with Russ, who we were at the winery last night. We're going to go to Chiefs and have a Philly cheesesteak. Got 2 Philly cheesesteaks and fries.
You're going to need a truck to get home with it.
And I had the sandwich last year as well, so I was looking forward to it. And I ate it pretty fast. So we actually got invited to go up to those mountains up there. And we're going to stay in a cabin for 2 nights. And it's going to be awesome. So boom, here we are. We are at the top. This is like, how fortunate is it that these guys let us stay here for 2 nights? Check this place out. Talk about the ultimate getaway. This is just their cabin in the mountains. It's not even like something on Airbnb. We have some visitors up here tonight, and we're gonna have some fun, play some cornhole, and fly the drone. Here's the drone shots. Boom. So thanks to Vicky and Daniel, well, this guy, for having us up there. The sun is officially down, so now we're just hanging out here. We're gonna have some Hayworth wines. All right, see you tomorrow, day 3. Right, day 3 on this 7 of 7 madness, whatever this is. Waking up in this absolutely stunning spot right here. Today's gonna be a chilled out day, which is great because I got some editing to do. Emma's got some work to do too. She wants to make some hula videos out here. Last night at 3 o'clock in the morning, I was doing a live Google Hangout with CreatorCast boys for our midweek chat. We are CreatorCast and we are live. I feel like this is the way that midweek chat should be. Maybe not at 3 o'clock in the morning my time. I was really tired for that. Talk slow. And that's exactly what it was. A day just to relax and get caught up. It's day 4. All the smoke is just like gone, so like you can see for miles. We're gonna go to a radio station in Eugene, Oregon, and do something on the radio. Yeah, I'm gonna miss this place.
No comment from the current Oregon coach Robert Johnson.
Emma is so awesome. She gets up on stage and does hula hooping like I have never seen in my life. Danny is a looping guru. I mean, I'd never seen looping in music before.
1120 KPNW. I like
Wow.
that one there.
And we're
So,
Thanks. Thanks a lot, Bill.
thank you. Bye. Thanks for coming in.
Wine Julia, how do you think we did?
You guys did awesome.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for coming and doing this with me. Yeah, it was
The
really cool.
the phones were going crazy. The people wanted to call and talk to us. It was like,
That's awesome.
I'm kidding. That didn't happen. Cool. There we go. That's radio. So now we're gonna gear up for a show tonight. All right, so we're just gonna set up here, see if we can make this party go on. We have 3 hours. Right, so it's done. Played for tips, actually did pretty well. They don't pay me to say this, they probably won't even watch this video, but man, they have the best food here. It is the Bronco Saloon and the Chiefs place that we had, the Philly cheesesteak. They made us food. Oh, yum! All right, we're gonna end this with the Mark Insby transition. Here we go. Right, good morning. Day 5, still at that winery, but we're leaving right now, heading to Medford to play for this, you'll see. Thanks again for having us out, man.
Great to have you,
If
brother.
you're ever in Oregon, check out Hayworth Vineyards.
We'll whine a little bit.
We'll whine a little
We'll
bit.
whine a little bit.
All right, heading to Medford. See you guys later.
Bye.
All right, so we made it here. We're at Jeff's house. Dude, this place
everybody.
is so cool. We're gonna go to like a,
We're gonna head to Tom Moraine's and we're gonna watch Danny and Emma get after it.
yeah. Actually, we'll show you up there.
I hope so.
Ready?
You could see up there.
The ultimate pool party. All right, so I'm gonna take the stage, but first I'm gonna go live on my other channel. I go live every other day. I don't know if I'm gonna document my show, but dude, look at this. What a spot to play. Everybody's feeling moving right. Now go on. All right, it's day 6 on this 7 and 7. We're just hanging out by the pool in Oregon. I don't know if we're doing anything like that exciting today, since we're really off schedule on this 7-minute thing. Let's just skip ahead to day 7. Day 7, it's Monday. We have a long 11-hour drive. Tomorrow we are flying back to Australia, so we're driving a long ways through Nevada. I was gonna do a driving montage, but you know what? It's been a long video. We're tired. Check this place out. This hotel looks awesome. This might be a good time to end this daily, this 7-day, I don't know. Maybe I'll see you tomorrow. One more day. 8 days. Why not? Yeah, right. There is no day 8. Look at where I'm at now. So make sure you stay tuned to next week to see the fun in the snow in Australia. Thanks for enjoying my weekly adventure videos. Be sure to subscribe. Also check out my live stream channel. And if you want to watch something next, try this one. If you